I'm cooking for you, Capricorn. Your planet, Saturn. Rings, anyone? As in crispy calamari rings with a classic cocktail sauce. It's Agar time.
Greetings, Siobhan. 'Tis I, Agar, astrologer plenipotent, seer of things and the knower of stuff. Tell me, girl, who are you cooking for today?
Hello, Agar. Today, I am slicing, dicing, and all up in Capricorn. What you gotta say?
Capricorn, the mythological horned sea goat, the 10th zodiac sign, honest, wise, but no sense of time. Am I right, Capricorn? Late for everything. Should pull a Flavor Flav and put a big clock around your neck.
The goat is tardy. Got it. Oh, Agar, can you tell us the best and the worst?
Certainly, child. Best of all, Capricorns are ambitious. Workaholics, really. Real sleeve roller-uppers.
And the worst?
They are born troublemakers. Did you know the tarot card for a Capricorn is the devil? Always getting into mischief.
Okay, so who's a fit and who's not?
The most compatible zodiac sign for a Capricorn is Virgo. Why? Because they're playful and optimistic. But the worst sign is by far Leo. Too selfish, too vain, won't work.
So who's on your Capricorn celebrity list?
A Capricorn dinner party has to include the starman David Bowie, love his hair, hip-shaking Elvis Presley, soft as sandpaper Janis Joplin, and the lovely Dolly Parton.
Ooh, an all-music night, okay.
Oh, thank you very much. I must fly, sweet Shiv, darling. Peace out.
Stay cosmic, Agar. That Agar, what a guy. Sun-dried tomatoes in the cocktail sauce is my secret umami bomb. Haha, look at that. Capricorn love tips. 1, be patient. Don't be falling for the first Leo or Taurus to come your way. Capricorn love tip number 2, you need your alone time. So find someone who's chill about you going on a walkabout every now and then. I'm adding this horseradish last, so it doesn't change the color of the sauce. I really want to keep it this bright red. Flour, cornstarch, that's it.